common problem nowadays, and already I have a video for belly fat. Today I am going to introduce with you few more asanas and true pranayama that will help you to overcome this belly fat. It's a quick practice, so let's get ready for the practice. Hello friends, so get ready for the second session of belly fat reduction asanas. So the first asana we will go for, that is Naukasana. For that, all these postures are very easy and I am sure you will enjoy these practices, and very easy to perform. Just lie down on your back, okay, both the feet together. Naukasana, we will perform first Naukasana, then place your palms above the thighs. Inhale and gently raise your legs and arms and upper body, and your body should be balanced with the on the buttock only. This way, slowly inhale and stretch your toes. Balance your whole body with you on your buttock. Hold this position with normal breath as much as you can, or you can hold this position for 15 seconds. It seems very easy, but while performing you will feel vibration throughout the whole body. This is an effective asana to reduce the belly fat and excessive fat at the thighs. After 15 seconds, exhale down. So practice this Naukasana minimum 5 rounds. One more round. Inhale, stretch your toes, balance your body on the buttock. Your fingers and toes and head should be in a straight line. This is very effective. Many people doing this way also. So it is easy to perform, but this position, when your heel above 30 to 15 centimeter away from the ground, it is difficult to balance your body, and it will help to burn your stubborn fat from the abdomen and thighs very easily. Exhale down, relax. 5 rounds of Naukasana, and before going to the next round you need to keep your breath normal. Then we will go for Naukasana Chalan or rowing. It's also easy and helps to reduce or burn the stubborn fat of your belly. So sit with your legs outstretched. Place your palms on their respective knees. This is the base position. Then make a fist with your palms and place at the side of the knees. Inhale and lean back by keeping your spinal column straight, and feel that you are holding or you are doing rowing. Just imagine the way you are rowing a boat. Exhale and forward. While exhaling, try to touch your nose to the knees. Inhale, lean back. Exhale down. Throughout the practice, try to keep the forehead, your spine straight. Exhale, forward movement. Inhale, back, lean back. And you need to perform it little bit faster. One direction 10 rounds, then opposite direction. Inhale up, then exhale down. While moving your arms up, you have to inhale, then exhale, inhale, exhale. 10 rounds in one direction, then opposite. Already I have shown you. Here you inhale while moving forward, exhale. Then while moving back, inhale. While moving forward, exhale. So this way you have to practice minimum 10 rounds of Naukasana Chalan in one direction, then opposite direction 10 rounds. Then Chakki Chalana Asana. For that, stretch your legs. Same position, stretch your legs at least 1 meter apart. Then this is the base position. Keep your spine straight. Interlock your finger in between the knee. Inhale and lean back. Then while exhaling, make a big circle from toes to toes. Exhalation. Then knee to knee. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, move forward, toes to toes, knee to knee. You have to make a big circle. Inhale, back. Elbow joints should be straight throughout the practice. Make big circle in clockwise direction. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. While moving forward, exhale. While back, inhale. clockwise direction you have to do 10 round. Then same practice in anti-clockwise direction. Inhale back, exhale, right toe to left toe, anti-clockwise direction, exhale, inhale, knee to knee, exhale, toe to toe, 10 round of anti-clockwise direction. Throughout the practice, try to keep your elbow joint straight, and while moving forward, try to touch your nose to the knees. So this is all about chakki challenge. So then the last practice for reducing your belly fat burn, or to burn your belly fats, stubborn fats. So for that we will go for Dhruta Paschimottanasana. Sit with your leg out straight, palms on knees. Inhale, raise your arms, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. While moving down, try to touch your nose to the knee. If you are able to touch it, is better, and you have to keep the knee joint straight. If you are unable to touch by keeping your knees straight, you can move forward as much as you can. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. While performing all these asanas, definitely you will feel a stretch in your lower abdomen and upper abdomen, and I am very much sure these pranayamas and these asanas will definitely help you to reduce the belly fat, and it will burn the stubborn fat at your belly. And I'm going to share with you two very important pranayama. Before that, you have to go for Nadi Shodhana stage 2. Nadi Shodhana pranayama, after that you have to go for Bhramari and Ujjayi 10 round. Already I have those pranayama in my channel. Video is there, link is given below, please go through that. And after that you have to go for Bhastrika and Kapalabhati. Bhastrika and Kapalabhati also mentioned, and the video is available in my channel. After these pranayamas, don't forget to go for pranayama, and if possible go for Kayastharyam and meditation. So this is all about the session 2 for reducing belly fat. I hope it will be helpful for you and you will enjoy it. For such type of videos, subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification. Like it, share it, take care of yours, stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. See you soon. Namaskar.